In this video, we're going to change the trunk lid supports on my Fusion. Super simple, quick video. Replace these struts if your trunk lid's dropping fast. Put a screwdriver up in here. That pops out. You can pull that right off. Same thing at the bottom. Pull that right off. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Put this, boom. Just push it on. You don't have to do anything with the screwdriver. Put that down. This set does not have a left and a right. Some vehicles have a left and a right. Same thing at the bottom here. Boom, do it to both sides, don't buy just one. Come on. There we go. Clips on there. That's it. Trunk closes. See, it won't drop on you. But you gotta actually close it now. The trunk should pop and pop open. See, it pops, and then you should be able to just do this to lift it. See? All right. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.